In today's video, we are going to show you how to archive classes in Edpuzzle. Archiving helps keep your dashboard organized without deleting any student data or assignments. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. You want to make sure that you are on your teacher account. Now, go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Classes. There is a drop-down menu onto the classes that you have here in Edpuzzle. If this is going to be the classes or class that you want to archive, I want you to click the drop-down menu and click the Archive Class. It's super simple. But for safety and for record keeping, you might want to duplicate this class to have a backup. Okay? Or if you want, you need to export the grades before you totally archive the class that you wanted. But if you are really decided, just click the archive class and this will be moved to the archive section. Remember, you can always restore it later. Click the archive button and basically that's it for today's video. Now, the archive class has been sent to the archive section. And that's how to archive Edpuzzle classes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.